I'll go ahead and apply the condensed glue gel. And I'm going to do it around the cuticles. Focus on that because I'm going to add some of them on. Also, I'm going to add just a couple of the crystal on that the fireworks. So I don't need a whole lot of the condensed glue gel. Little go a long way. And we'll go ahead and using No Wipe Top Coat. This is so adorable. The background from that triple palette is everything. Just the color, it's just so beautiful. That's the one I got it from here. I swatched it yesterday for you, but I also make a bunch of other swatches and I can do the tutorial with you. So that is from this Bessie. Is so beautiful. So I am go ahead and add some this one. I'm gonna do just a smaller one. Oh, this one is at the star though. I didn't see that. Cool. And then it looks like a white bubble. And then smaller. I'm having fun with this. Another one. And then I'm going to put some beads on it. Because I want to keep that best wish. But if you want to do more, you can move this foil up and down. Or if you want to best wishes on the middle of the nails, you can definitely do it. And then just save the top for your crystals. However you want to do your foil image. It just happened that I place it right there and I like it. I'm going to leave it as it is. All right, so add some. This is one of the really cute and easy way for you to do your crystal design, especially for a lot of you are just for get introduced with the crystal designs. This is one of a really cute and easy way for you to do, and just make it so nice and it will last so well for your clients. So then the clients get to introduce with the crystal design, like, oh, I love it, I see everybody wearing it, but I never wearing, but I afraid it's gonna coming off. I'm not sure I'm gonna able to do it. And say, okay, let's just start with the smaller in around the cuticles first, and then we're gonna go around with it more after you come back for the next appointment. I start with the clients, my clients most of the time like that when they are talking about crystal designs. I will not gonna start with really dramatics yet, because you want to introduce it to them. You want them to get to know the crystal placement, crystal designs, and then get them experience it and wearing it first for like a first time. And then they'll, oh, I love it. And they'll stay on. It's not going anywhere. And after 4 weeks coming back, and then she loves it. And she's like, can you do something different than that? I said, sure. You can definitely have more. And I can do a lot of different design for you. You just like pick the centerpiece and then we can go from there. All right, so this is so adorable, and I'm going to leave as it is, and we are going to cure for 60 seconds. You can add more crystal on however you want, if you want, okay? So I'm going to cure for 60 seconds.